Steps on how to add a file. In your given course, click Turn Editing on. After that, click Add an activity or resource. Next, locate the icon for adding a file. After clicking, we will edit the name of the file we wanted to upload. For example, discussion. After editing the name, next we will now upload the file we wanted to add. For example, I will upload a PDF file as my resource in idioms topic. Upload this file. In the activity completion, we'll try to edit it so that the students will automatically complete the activity when conditions are met. As you observe, there is already a check for student must view the activity to complete it. After that, we'll save and return to the course. Okay, let us try to open the PDF file we uploaded. Alright, so that's it for adding a file in our given course.